The swamp includes the Manchac Wildlife Management Area. It's a popular spot for tours, fishing, and hunting. The habitat in the area features a mix of flat, low marshlands and forested swamps with bald cypress and water tupelo trees. There is a variety of species, including alligators, turtles, deer, otters, and birds, including herons, hawks, and bald eagles. Makes it a great place for wildlife viewing.
Kayaking here presented some unique challenges. Between the trees' wide bases and their spread out root systems in the murky water, sometimes you just couldn't see them coming and would end up high-centered unexpectedly.
As we kayaked through the swamp, we would see randomly on trees this pink substance that was like gum. We're thinking it was either a fungi or a lichen. If you have any ideas of what that would be, feel free to leave it in the comments below. We would love to know. The alligators were not aggressive. They really didn't want to be around people. In order to get good pictures, we had to be quiet so that they would not dive into the water and hide from us.
This swamp has a little bit of a spooky history. It is sometimes referred to as the Ghost Swamp. There once was a small town here with a woman known as Julia Brown who was the local midwife and healer. She was known to sit on her front porch and sing songs about the future. Towards the end of her life, her songs took a dark twist, and she would sing about how, when she died, the city would die with her. When she did pass away, they held a grand funeral for her. Over 200 people attended. Unfortunately, her funeral was interrupted by the hurricane of 1915, which raised the local waters 13 feet unexpectedly. The 3 small towns nearby were all destroyed. This left only a handful of survivors that stayed to bury the dead in a mass grave, and the town was never rebuilt. They say that sometimes in the swamp you can still hear her singing. Reportedly, lots of people heard her sing before the disaster of Katrina.
I loved seeing them out enjoying the sun. Being cold-blooded, they use the sun to regulate their body temperature. I had a great time. It was definitely a bucket list opportunity, and it was something I never even thought about doing.
To see more videos, hit that like and subscribe.